If you're starting a YouTube channel in 2025 and your aim is to make money, you have to understand that not all niches pay the same. There are some niche that pay just $1 for 1,000 views, while there are some other niche that pay close to $30 or even more for the same number of views. I've been able to review some channel earnings analytics, and every single thing that I'm going to be sharing with you right now are based on, number one, my personal experiment, two, based on research. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with us the highest paying YouTube channel ideas right now, including the CPM you can expect, and even some examples of channels making crazy money right now at the moment. So if this video is a video that you love to watch, please do well to stick around, and without much being said, let's get started. So the number one channel niche idea on our list is finance and investing. This channel CPM range between $30 to $50. Now you have to understand first of all that CPM is what advertisers pay for a particular video, while your RPM is what you're going to be getting in return. So now if your CPM can be as high as between the range of $30 to $50, then your RPM should be nothing less than $15 or even at least $12. Now imagine getting like 5,000 or even 20,000 views on a particular video. Just try to do the calculations and you know what you'll be expecting. So now the reason why this particular niche pay very well is because of they deal mostly with banks, crypto, credit cards, and even real estate. So definitely their ads are going to be very huge, because the way this whole YouTube thing works is you upload a particular video, then advertisement company, they are going to come up for your video, place a particular amount, then YouTube is going to remove their own share and give you what they feel you deserve. So advertisement company, they place high ads on this kind of videos. So a very good examples of some channels in this niche is Andrew Jig. Andrew Jig deals mainly on finance, investments, and also how to make money online through Bitcoin, crypto. If you go through his channel, you will see that he is actually doing so well, and this channel is making a lot of money. And another great example is Graham Stefan, also doing the same thing. So these are channels that you can watch and get idea. Also another example are some Nigerian channels that talks mainly about savings, budgeting, or even POS business. See, you have to understand that as long as you are able to do all this simple how to make money from home, you can as well enter this niche. So this is a very high, most paying, lucrative niche on YouTube. Okay, so the second most paying niche idea on our list for today is tech and gadgets. Their CPM range between $10 to $30. This particular kind of niche, advertisers also pay very high. Why? Is because they deal mainly on phone brands, apps, and reviewing some software tools. So some examples of this kind of channels are channels like Marquis Brownlee. If you go through his channel, you will see the kind of videos that he uploads. He mainly deals strictly with quality tech videos, consumer electronics. So his duty is just to review some phones, AI apps, and a lot more. One good advantage of this particular kind of channel is when it comes to brand deals and collaboration. So they don't only make money from their videos, they make money through other means. So this is a very high paying, lucrative channel that you can give a try. Okay, another example also is Techno Panda. If you go through the channel, you will still see the same thing. These channels are making good money. Another example is some small creators that do review on phone, some tech. What you just need to do is get the phone, browse about the phone, and give a review on your channel, and you're going to be making a lot of money from it. You can even just do faceless video reviewing that particular product, or you get the particular product and review it. This channel, they pay very well. Advertisers pay high on this kind of channel, and you know the minute advertisers are paying high, then your CPM is going to come up. So that is what determines how much you're going to be making on YouTube. So the third high paying channel on our list for today is online business and YouTube growth. So for this kind of channels, their CPM range between from $10 to $30, and in some cases it's more, because one thing about YouTube is that your audience viewers location matters. Because when I even saw this analytics, I was like, this is also my niche, so why am I not making up to that $10? Though I have had some cases of my revenue, that is my CPM, being very, very high, even crossing $13 for my CPM. And that was because I had most of my viewers all coming from USA. So this niche also pay very well. And one of the reasons why this niche pay very well is because advertisers pay high just for ads to be placed on the video, knowing fully well what your content is all about. And they also understand the kind of audience who are going to be interested in such kind of videos. So a very good example is my channel, because I talk about YouTube growth. And another example is channels like the Video IQ, Think Media, just a lot of other channels out there. And also some examples of video ideas in this kind of niche are videos like YouTube growth, tutorials on how to grow fast, some side hustle ideas, ways to make money on YouTube. All of them also fall down in this niche. And if you are out there looking out for a particular niche that you can also start, you can give this niche a try. It also pays, okay? But mind you, bear at the back of your mind that there are still other factors that surround this. But if you're able to get the right audience, the right viewers on your channel, you're going to really make a lot of money, okay? So the fourth niche idea that make money here on YouTube is health, fitness, and weight loss channel. These channels, their CPM range between $10 to $20. Now, mind you, it can be lesser, it can be higher. It depends on your channel audience and where the viewership is coming from, okay? And one of the reasons why advertisers also pay high for this kind of channel is because they do mainly on supplements, fitness brands, some weight loss products. So a lot of advertising company out there would like to pay high so that their product can be advertised to the audience watching that particular video. And that simply means that they can as well patronize them. So this is basically one of the reasons why all these advertising companies pay high for this kind of niche. So some examples we have on our list is channels like clothing. If you go through her channel, you will understand better. Even channels like Pamela Reeve, and also some of all these creators that talk about some home workouts, healthy meals, the right food to eat, and a lot more. So this is also a kind of channel that you can venture into, most especially if you have the idea, or if you are a gym instructor. This is also a niche, or this is also a channel idea you can give out a try. And believe me when I say you're going to make money as long as you have the right audience on your channel, okay? Also, another good example is you see all these video ideas talking about how to lose belly fat fast. It's always trending on advertisers feed. So this kind of videos tend to perform very well because on daily basis, both men, both women, we are all looking for ways to lose fat on our body, especially moms. They are actually looking for ways to lose belly fat, especially me. So this kind of videos, I watch them a lot and I see the high engagement on them. So sorry guys, my mic actually went off. So we're going to be talking about the last most profitable niche without the mic. So the very last most profitable niche you can venture on YouTube in the year 2025 is education and tutorials. Their CPM range between $8 to $12. It depends. It can be lower, it can be higher. And one of the reasons why advertisers also pay high for this kind of niche is because viewers are ready to learn. Viewers are up there to learn one or two things that can be beneficial to them in life or in their daily activities. So advertisers know the kind of ads to place on this kind of videos because they understand the audience that are meant for this particular video. And also some examples of these kind of channels are If you go through YouTube homepage or the search bar, you will see some channels that teach kids on how to read, that teach children on how to solve some hard equation on their mathematics or any other language, and also some tutorial channels that deals with how to make use of Canva, how to use CapCut, how to make use of some AI app. So these are some examples of this kind of channel, and it's also a great niche that you can easily go into, as long as maybe you have something upstairs that you believe there are people out there who would want to learn from you. Then bring it up here, open your channel. It can be faceless, it can be non-faceless, so anyone can work out. Okay, so a bonus idea in order for you to also know what you are doing here is there are some websites that you can go over to check the amount that a particular YouTuber is earning, so that you can be sure and be aware of what you are going for. And a very good example is Social Blade. What you just need to do is to head over to Google, type this particular thing, and you will have access to it. So just go over to YouTube app, copy the link of any channel, just come over here, paste it, and you'll be able to access the estimated revenue of their channel. So you can use either Social Blade or Noxin Influencer. Each and every one of them can work out. See, one last advice that I'm going to leave for any YouTuber coming up here is, most of the time, do not always chase the views, chase the value. And if you are out there, you really want to make money here on YouTube in the year 2025, these 5 niches that you can venture into, bring out the value, build the right audience, and you will make a lot of money starting from now till the year 2026. Though there are still other niche which I was not able to really go into, they also make money, but not compared to these 5 niche that I just shared with you, because they are among the highest paying niche so far on YouTube. Okay, so at the end of the day, we are all here for the income. All right, so if you find this video helpful in any way, please do well to like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share this video so that it can get a lot of other creators out there. And as always, as usual, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.